Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce Webhook authentication for CRM events step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type webhooks and select webhooks from the results. Click on the New button to create a new webhook. Provide a descriptive name for your webhook. Enter the URL where you want to receive the events. Select the authentication method you want to use. If choosing bearer token, generate a new token for enhanced security. Copy this token to your clipboard for later use. If opting for basic authentication, enter the username and password required for access. Ensure to set the correct headers based on your authentication choice. Scroll down to the section labeled Event Types. Select the CRM events you wish to monitor. Map the selected events to the appropriate data fields. To configure the response settings, specify the success and failure URLs. Enable the webhook for active use once all settings are confirmed. Save your configurations to finalize the webhook setup. Next, test the webhook to ensure it works correctly. Navigate to a testing tool or use a service like Postman. Send a sample event to the configured webhook URL. Verify if the receiving server captures the event as expected. Check the logs in Salesforce to see if the event was processed without errors. Make any necessary adjustments based on the results of your test. Document your webhook configuration for future reference. Now you are ready to authenticate Salesforce webhook events for CRM effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.